Hi. Today, we are going to set up a mail server in record time. Be ready. It's going to be fast. After looking for few options, I came across Citadel. So let's go to citadel.org. Download. Easy install. Follow the instruction by running curl. Don't forget to sudo.
Sudo from the web. Is it safe? C. Doesn't even work.
Let's download the install file and run the bash as second step. And then the installation start. Answer yes. Yes again. One more time. And again. Note that the installation is done on a fresh installation of Ubuntu up to date. Curl was not installed, but a simple apt get install curl will do the trick. OK, time to speed up a little. Leave the value by default. Just change the user that will run the application, as only one is set up on this environment. It will be demo. Then default value again. And standard port. Okay, looks like it's ready. Admin. Password. And we are in. To play a bit with it, let's create a new user. Easy password. Yes, internet mail. And done. Let's do some testing from the webmail client. And yes, mail received. Let's reply. Log off. And back in. Work like a charm. What do we have on the top left corner? Isn't it Thunderbird, our favorite mail client? Let's launch it. And set up a new account. Test. Then test at localhost as Thunderbird is expecting it in the mail. And password. Thunderbird find the setup himself. But as we don't have a domain name nor any security certificate, we have to confirm the security exception. And there you go. The structure of your mail server get downloaded. Note that you have two sent folder. One is coming from the mail server, and the second one from Thunderbird setup. This could be fixed later but not important for our test. As you can see, our first mail is only on send item but not on sent as it has been sent with the webmail and not Thunderbird. Time to send a mail now. Again, a security exception need to be validated for the SMTP server. The server that deal with sending mail. The one we did earlier was for the IMAP. Our mail is saved in sent. Then in sent item as it reach our server. And now we are going to verify that this mails has been received. Bingo! We have it. Let's reply. Yes, polite people do reply. And there we go. We got the answer. Note that the domain name is converted to the host name. Host name is the name of the computer the server is running on. So we can now send mail between users that are on the same domain. But don't we want to be able to send mail to whoever we want? Yes, of course. But let's face it, without domain, our mail are going to be considered as spam. I tried to do so just for fun, but as expected, the mail was never received. What we can do is setting up another mail server locally and exchange mail between those two servers. Let's try with the IP address first. The mail is saved locally. Then saved on the server. But no, our server doesn't like it. Let's bypass this by putting a fake domain name in the host's file. Don't forget sudo. Save and exit. Now let's try again. Saved normally, but no error notification this time. But no mail received. And finally the notification error showed up. What could it be? Well, maybe there is a delay for the host file to take effect. Let's try to see if we can reach the other server via Telnet. What is Telnet? It's a tool that I used a lot to do some bug tracking. It's allow us to connect and send mail via command line. Seems that we can reach our second server. Trouble for quitting, doesn't matter. It's not our main problem. The fact that we had some delay to get the notification make me think that the problem could come from the receiving server. After checking the parameter, there is a place where you can specify the domain name in Citadel. Could it be this? Let's put the fake domain name and try again to send a mail. Save and no error yet. Bingo, we got it. That was it. From the virtual box to local server. Let me show you what was changed. In the administration, domain names and internet mail configuration, local host aliases. That make complete sense in fact. Now just for fun, let's remove it again and send another mail. Delivery fail again, that was it. We have now proof that our mail server work fine. Next, we will have to get a domain name. I'm assuming get some certificate to prove that the domain is good and ideally, move this server to a lightweight computer, aka a Raspberry Pi. That would be all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, trigger the notification to not miss the next video. Let me know what you think in the commenting or ask questions if you have any. Bye.